Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change an Audi A6 headlight bulb, providing a clear, step-by-step guide. Before we begin, it is crucial to turn off your car's ignition to avoid any electrical issues. Next, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly you will be working on. You will generally need a Phillips head screwdriver and sometimes a small ratchet with a 7mm socket. Having these simple tools ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now let's get to accessing that bulb. Depending on your Audi A6 model, you might need to remove a rear cover or even some air duct components to reach the headlight assembly. Look for clips or screws and carefully remove them. Once the cover is off, you will see the electrical connector. Gently disconnect it. For certain headlight types, especially on the driver's side, you might find it easier to turn your steering wheel fully to one side to access a small panel in the wheel arch, providing better access. With access gained, it is time for the bulb exchange. The old bulb is usually held in place by a retaining clip or by twisting it about 30 degrees counterclockwise. Once released, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, remember this critical tip. Never touch the glass part with your fingers, as oils can cause premature failure. Handle it by its base. Align the new bulb's notches with the housing, then twist it clockwise or re-engage the retaining clip until it is firmly seated. You are almost done. Now, firmly reattach the electrical connector to your new bulb or ballast. Carefully put back any covers, air ducts, or wheel arch panels that you removed, making sure all screws and clips are securely fastened. Double-check everything to ensure no components are loose. Finally, turn on your Audi A6's ignition and switch on the headlights. Verify that the new bulb illuminates correctly and provides clear, consistent light. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.